YouTube family, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Martha and I thank you so much for clicking my video. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do it now. Let me give you a second. 1, 2. So I received a package from Yves Rocher. Actually just came. We could do the unboxing together, and this is what this video is gonna be about. If you haven't ever heard of Yves Rocher yet, it's a cosmetic shop where they sell products like makeup, soaps, let me just say cosmetic stuff generally. So I ordered some things online and they just came, so let's go ahead and unbox together. I've just made myself comfortable here and I'm gonna just go ahead and wow. So wow, okay, I thought there was gonna be another box in here, but no, like everything is inside this box here, but nothing is delicate, so it's okay. They also have shops, like physical shops everywhere. And I also think this is in Kenya. I've had several YouTubers talk about this, so I'm thinking they are also already in Kenya by now. So honestly, everything that is in here cost me 20 euros and 5 cents in total. And the first thing I picked out is this shower gel. It's a bath and shower gel with passion fruit and ginger inside. Yummy. So I got 2 of the same. I did not buy these 2. I think these are samples that I got. This one is a hair and body wash. This one here is an intense shine shampoo. Oh, with marigold oil. I have never used this before, but I got a sample. The next thing that I got is this anti-transparent. It smells very feminine and flowery. I like it. I can't wait to try that out. The other thing is this. It's a micellar water sensitive. I should apply this in the morning and in the evening on the face and eyes. Facial cleaning lotion. Now this one is a hand cream. Let's try it out. Oh my goodness, that smells so healthy. Yeah, it's organic, with organic arnica from La Galchili or whatever that is. Moisturizes and protects hands. This one is another shower gel with pomegranate pink berries. Wow, it smells just so fruity. This one is also another bath and shower gel with magnolia white tea. Another pomegranate. Another what? Oh yeah, I remember why I got several hand creams. It's because I want to share with some of my people. Yeah, so I got a small cosmetic bag. This one is a price. Oh yeah, I can store some of my goodies in here. This is so pretty. Look at that. Hey, another one. So I wonder how this one looks like. Okay, I like the color. It's a nude pink. I mean, this one is probably going to become my new travel bag. It has a handle, it has a zip. I can put my hand creams and my soap and my face things and my deodorant. I mean, come on. And I still have space for my lotion and stuff like that. So I like that. My last present over here, let me see what they gave me. I mean, if you're an online shop and you never give people samples, come on, you know. Why should I order from your shop and not from the other shop? So Yves Rocher, really good job. Oh, it's what is it? It's a watch. It's like a sports watch. Oh, I can remove it. I can remove it from here. Jesus, no, it's a battery thingy. It counts the steps and the amount of calories that have been burnt, the kilometers that one has walked. It also monitors the heart rate. Yeah, stuff like that. I like this. Like, thank you so much, Yves Rocher. You are the bomb. So back here is where you change the battery. I was already thinking of buying such, but then I was like, yes. Hey, awesome. And oh, finally I got some, it's the magazine, I think. This is just a catalog of some things that people need. I guess that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Okay, tell me in the comment section below if you enjoy unboxing videos. So whenever I receive something, I do this and share it with you guys. And again, if you haven't yet subscribed, please do so and join the family. That way you're never gonna miss a video from my channel, and it is very free to subscribe. Just hit the red subscribe button and turn on the bell so you know every time I upload. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.